Are you having connection problem between your printer and wireless network? Well, this problem can happen due to configuration issues, driver problems, or other issues. But with the help of the right solution, you can fix it in no time. Also, you can call us at the following numbers to get a quick expert assistance. Now, let's jump right into the methods and fix your printer connection problem. Before we start this step, we request you to join our YouTube channel and support us. You can be a part of our growing family where millions come together to learn, solve problems, and stay up to date. Method 1. Uninstall the printer and reconnect it. First things first, head down to your taskbar and right-click on the Start menu. From the list that pops up, just click on Device Manager. Alright, once Device Manager opens, look for Print Queues and click on it to expand the list. Now, find the printer that's giving you trouble, right-click on it and choose Uninstall Device. You'll see a confirmation pop up. Go ahead and click on Uninstall again. Once that's done, restart your computer and give it a minute to fully reboot back up. After your computer is back on, open Device Manager again in the same way as before. Head back to Print Queues, right-click on it and select Scan for hardware changes. And that's it. Windows will automatically detect your printer again and fix the driver issue for you. If this issue still persists, move on to the next method. Also, let us know which printer model you're using currently so we can create a new tutorial on a specific model. Method 2. Update your printer driver. First, go to the Taskbar section and open Device Manager window. On the Open window, go to the Printer option and click on the arrow next to it. From the list of options, right-click on your printer name. Now, click on the Update Driver option to move forward. When the next screen appears, then you should choose the Search Automatically for Drivers option. After that, it will search for drivers and download it on your device. If you like our content, give us a like, and if you want to learn more, subscribe to our channel. You can also visit Printer Tales or call us on the following contact numbers. If you think we haven't covered your printer yet, you can let us know in the comments section.